What if one tiny seed, used for thousands of years, could lower your blood sugar by up to 25%? And what if it was already in your kitchen or local store, completely natural and backed by real science? Whether you're pre-diabetic, diabetic, or just trying to stabilize your energy, this one ingredient could change everything. Let's reveal what it is, how it works, and how to use it safely. Why this matters. Blood sugar problems are more common than ever, and often go unnoticed. Over 88 million adults in the US have prediabetes, but most don't even know it. Constant fatigue, cravings, weight gain, and even brain fog can all be signs your glucose is out of control. And while medications can help, they come with side effects. Nature offers powerful science-backed alternatives, and this ancient seed is one of the best. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, from India to the Mediterranean, and now modern research confirms it can help lower fasting blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even reduce HbA1c levels over time. And the best part, you can easily add it to your diet without changing your lifestyle overnight. Let's dive into what this seed is and why it may be the best kept secret in blood sugar support. The seed, fenugreek, methi seed. Yes, the powerful ancient seed we're talking about is fenugreek, used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Middle Eastern medicine. Fenugreek seeds are small, bitter, and golden. But don't be fooled by their size. They're packed with soluble fiber, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds that work in your gut and bloodstream to support healthier blood sugar. What makes fenugreek truly unique is its ability to target multiple root causes of high blood sugar, including insulin resistance, poor digestion, and appetite control. In traditional medicine, it's also known to cool the blood and balance metabolism, especially for people with a sluggish or overheated digestive system. In fact, some cultures use it daily in curries, teas, or even with warm water on an empty stomach to maintain long-term glucose balance. Modern science is now catching up, confirming what ancient healers already knew. This seed isn't just a spice, it's a powerful therapeutic tool for metabolic health. 1. Lowers fasting blood sugar. Naturally, multiple studies have shown that fenugreek helps reduce fasting glucose levels significantly. One study in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that people who took 10 grams of fenugreek daily saw their fasting blood sugar drop by over 25% within weeks. How does it work? Fenugreek slows down carbohydrate absorption in your gut, preventing spikes after meals. It also helps stimulate insulin secretion and increases your cells' sensitivity to insulin. This means your body can move sugar out of your blood and into your cells more efficiently. Fenugreek's gel-forming fiber delays gastric emptying, so sugar enters the bloodstream more slowly. That's key for people who often experience sharp energy crashes or hunger just an hour after eating. By balancing these spikes and crashes, fenugreek helps your body maintain steadier energy throughout the day. In clinical trials, patients with both prediabetes and type 2 diabetes saw consistent reductions in fasting glucose, post-meal glucose, and even HbA1c levels, the long-term marker of blood sugar control. Unlike many medications, fenugreek achieves this naturally and gently without harsh side effects. Number 2. Improves insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is the root cause of prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. It happens when your cells stop responding properly to insulin, so sugar builds up in your bloodstream instead of being absorbed. Fenugreek contains a rare amino acid called 4-hydroxyisoleucine, which has been shown to stimulate insulin production and improve how your body responds to it, especially after meals. In one clinical trial, people with type 2 diabetes who took fenugreek powder saw significant improvements in post-meal glucose and insulin levels. Their blood sugar didn't spike as high, and their insulin worked more efficiently. That's a big deal because repeated sugar spikes are what lead to long-term complications like nerve damage, kidney strain, and vision loss. Fenugreek also supports glucose transport protein, the gateways that move sugar into your cells. By improving how these proteins function, fenugreek helps your body use sugar instead of storing it as fat. This can also reduce cravings, support weight loss, and protect your pancreas from burnout. If you've been told you have metabolic syndrome, prediabetes, or even normal blood sugar with high insulin, this seed can help reset the system from the inside out. Best of all, it does this gently, without disrupting your body's natural rhythms. 3. High in soluble fiber, a secret weapon. Fenugreek is rich in galactomannan, a unique type of soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This fiber slows digestion, reduces hunger, and prevents blood sugar spikes by delaying carbohydrate absorption. It also helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, which is a common problem in people with insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome. Just 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds delivers a potent dose of this blood sugar balancing fiber. But the benefits go beyond glucose. Soluble fiber also feeds healthy gut bacteria, supporting your microbiome and reducing inflammation throughout the body. What makes galactomannan special is that it creates a physical barrier between the food you eat and the enzymes that break it down. So sugar is released more gradually into your system. That means fewer energy crashes, better appetite control, and improved satiety after meals. Studies show that people who increase soluble fiber intake experience improvements in HbA1c, fasting glucose, and even weight loss. Unlike harsh fiber supplements that can cause bloating, fenugreek's natural fiber is gentle and nourishing. And 4. Supports weight loss and appetite control. Fenugreek's fiber content makes you feel fuller for longer, helping to curb those constant cravings that lead to overeating. Several studies show that people who take fenugreek regularly experience reduced appetite, lower calorie intake, and gradual weight loss, especially around the belly. Why does this matter? Because abdominal fat is closely linked to insulin resistance, and losing even a small amount can drastically improve blood sugar levels and hormone balance. Fenugreek helps control your hunger hormone, especially ghrelin, which triggers the feeling of hunger. This makes it easier to avoid snacking, emotional eating, or late-night cravings, habits that silently sabotage weight loss goals. In one study, people who consume fenugreek extract reported greater satiety and ate fewer calories throughout the day. Unlike stimulant-based weight loss products, fenugreek works in harmony with your body, supporting steady progress without anxiety or energy crashes. It's especially helpful for women in perimenopause or men with slowing metabolism, when hormonal weight gain becomes a real struggle. And since it's also supporting blood sugar at the same time, you're getting 2 major benefits in one natural remedy. 5. Easy to use, multiple ways to take it. You can use fenugreek seeds, whole, ground, or soaked, making them one of the most versatile natural remedies in your kitchen. Here are a few simple and effective methods. Soak 1 to 2 teaspoons of seeds in warm water overnight. In the morning, drink the water on an empty stomach and chew the softened seeds, a traditional method known to support blood sugar and digestion. Grind the seeds into a fine powder and mix into yogurt, oatmeal, soups, or smoothies. It adds a slightly nutty, earthy flavor. Boil them into tea with ginger and cinnamon for a metabolic boost, or simply steep the seeds with hot water and a dash of lemon. Use fenugreek powder in curries, stir-fries, or even baked goods for a subtle flavor and health upgrade. If you prefer convenience, fenugreek capsules are also widely available, but always look for organic, non-GMO options. Start with small amounts, 1/2 teaspoon daily, and increase gradually to avoid digestive discomfort like bloating or gas, which usually goes away with regular use. And remember, consistency is key. The benefits of fenugreek build over time, so make it part of your daily wellness habit. Science behind it. Fenugreek's benefits aren't just traditional. They're clinically supported and backed by decades of research. A 2015 meta-analysis in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that fenugreek significantly reduced both fasting blood sugar and HbA1c levels, which are key markers of long-term glucose control. In one 12-week study, people who took fenugreek powder experienced better glucose tolerance, lower cholesterol, and a more responsive insulin system after meals. Another study published in Nutrition Research showed that fenugreek helped slow the absorption of carbohydrate, leading to flatter glucose curves and fewer blood sugar crashes. It also appears to support the beta cells in your pancreas, which are responsible for making insulin, meaning it may offer protective benefits for long-term pancreatic health. What sets fenugreek apart is that it works gently and holistically. Rather than forcing one part of the body into overdrive, like many synthetic medications, it supports your entire metabolic system, including the gut, liver, and pancreas. Other benefits of fenugreek. Fenugreek doesn't just support blood sugar. It's a multi-purpose medicinal plant with benefits that extend across your entire body. It can improve digestion by increasing bile flow and easing symptoms of acid reflux and constipation. In men, studies suggest it may naturally increase testosterone, enhance libido, and improve strength and vitality. For women, it's known to boost milk production during breastfeeding and is often recommended by lactation experts for its galactagogue effects. Applied topically, fenugreek paste or oil may support hair growth, reduce dandruff, and even improve skin hydration due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some research also links fenugreek to lower cholesterol, reduced appetite, and better menstrual balance in women with PCOS. Its anti-inflammatory compounds may even provide relief from joint pain and mild arthritis symptoms when used regularly. This ancient seed truly belongs in every kitchen and every wellness routine, thanks to its diverse healing properties. Whether you're drinking it as a tea, adding it to food, or using it on your skin, fenugreek offers whole body support in one tiny seed. Call to action. Let's recap the powerful benefits of fenugreek seeds. Lowers fasting blood sugar by up to 25%, improves insulin sensitivity, fights cravings, and supports weight loss checkmark, high in soluble fiber that slows sugar absorption checkmark. Backed by scientific research and centuries of use, if you're managing blood sugar, or want to prevent diabetes naturally, fenugreek may be your best-kept secret. If this video helped you, give it a like to support natural healing. Subscribe to Purely Health for more doctor-approved wellness tips every week. Comment below. Have you tried fenugreek before? How did it work for you?